Howdy! Right, today I am going to fit one of these. It's like a ring pull thingy, smoothing up fluffy flora, Hurdy Gurdy. One of them. Basically, you put it onto whatever you want to lift up. You see a lot of these on the Camelot, where the bed section is in between the front seats and the rear seats. It pulls up and makes a bed. Well, that's, if you ever go to see a look at a Camelot and it's got them in the floor, that's what it's for, to lift it up. Right, it is going here. There, I made a false floor. Yeah, I made a false floor, you know, for bits of tools and stuff like that. There, look. Well, obviously, I need something. You can put stuff in underneath floor. So, this is going to go about here. Just helps lift it up, that's all. But it means making a hole the size of that. And it sits in. In fact, it's going to have to go all the way around, doesn't it? All the way around that, so as it incorporates that as well. Oh, this is going to be difficult. I'll sort it out. What I think I'll do is put it around there like that. Well, that's about middle, isn't it? Yeah, I want to lift it from one end, not from the middle. No, not from centre. Draw around and get as close to that as I can. Right, we'll see how we go on. Right, I've marked it up. If you look where the lines go outside of that bubble, if you want to call it that. Right, so we'll get a bit that's going to do a big hole there, and a little bit that's going to do a little hole there to accommodate that, the hinge. Right, what I'm going to do is drill this section first here with a 20mm. That should do it. And then afterwards go through with a big 32. Yeah. I don't think it'll be easier rather than doing a big hole and then trying to do a little hole. You know what I mean? So we'll do the little hole and then we've got more to grab there. It's a bit rough. Well, it's not rough, but I've had to trim it a bit more, get these off here, otherwise it wouldn't have gone in. It still won't go in now, but it does from the top. It looks a bit rough, but it gets covered. There you go. Looks okay, doesn't it? Right, I shall just screw that down now and pop her in. There it is. The ring pull. Right, try it in the van. There you go. Oh. There. Hello, Ali. Go and stand on this. Stand on that. Stand on it. Jump. Jump. That's it. Right, there it is. Right. Cool. Just pull it up. There we go. Get to whatever we've got underneath. Go jump on it again. Here he comes. Jump on that. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Right, I think that's the result. Wow, it's warm. Whew. Right. Stay tuned for the next thrilling episode. The wind has just collapsed.